Hello guys, Gopi here. First of all, thanks for being here and I welcome you all to Quickest Brain. So in previous video we have seen how to calculate the square of a number in 5 seconds, and today's video we are going to see how to calculate the cube of a number in 10 seconds. And if you are preparing for competitive exams, be it banking exams or SSC or any kind of competitive exams, I suggest you to prepare cubes till 99. Okay, because if you see in most of the competitive exams, there is no such questions asked in 3-digit numbers. So without wasting much time, we'll get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 4 methods, wherein the first method is number starting with 1. You could see here I have written 3 numbers, and you could see in all the 3 numbers, the number is starting with 1. Yes, that's the meaning of number starting with 1. So you just see how I am approaching the question. So 12 cube is written over here. So in first step, what I am going to do is I am going to write 12 as it is. So I have written 12 as it is. Okay, we'll for understanding purpose we'll put 4 dashes over here. So in first step, what I have done, I have written 12 as it is. In the third dash, what I am going to do, I am going to square the number. Okay, which number? Square the second number which is written over here. So 2 square is 4. In the fourth dash, what I am going to do, once again I am going to take the second number and I am going to cube the number. So 2 cube is 8. So this is the first step. So what I have done, I have written the number which is given over here. In third place, what I am doing, I am just taking the second number and I am squaring it. So 4 is written over here, and in the fourth place, what I am doing, I am cubing the number. So 2 cube is 8. So in second step, what I am going to do is, I am going to remove this first and the last number. Okay, so I am going to remove the first and the last number. So the remaining numbers are 2 and 4. I am going to take these 2 numbers and I am going to double it. Okay, so if I double 2, I will be getting 4. Or else you could say you can multiply the number by 2. So 2 into 2, it is 4. Then 4, I have to double it. Or else you can say 4 into 2, which is 8. Okay, so this is all about step number 2. And step number 3 is nothing but normal addition you have to do. So 8. So we know that 4 plus, for understanding purpose I am erasing it. So 4 plus 8 we know 12. So 2 is written over here. So the remainder 1 will be carried over here. Okay. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, and 1 will be written over here. So the answer for this question is 1728. Okay. Now we'll try to do a similar kind of approach to 13. So 13 cube. So what I am going to do, I am going to write the number as it is. So 1 and 3. So what I have told in third place, you have to take the second number which is nothing but 3 and you have to square it. So 3 square is 9, and in the fourth place what we have to do, we have to cube the number. So 27. Cube which number? Cube the second number which is written over here. So in second step, what I am going to do, I will be neglecting this first and the last number, and only I am going to take the middle 2 numbers which is 3 and 9, and then what I am going to do, I am going to double it. So 3 into 2 is nothing but 6, and 9 into 2 nothing but 18. Then a normal addition. But while adding over here, what you have to look here is, there is a 2-digit number present over here. So whenever there is a 2-digit number, you have to take only the last number, which means the unit digit. So 7 is the unit digit over here. So the remainder 2 will be carried over here. Okay. So 9 plus 2 11, and 11 plus 18 it is 29. So 9 will be here, and I will be writing the remainder 2 over here. Okay. So 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11. What I said, you have to write only the unit digit. So 1 will be here, and remainder 1 will be carried over here. So 1 plus 1 it is 2. So the answer for this question is 2197. So quickly we will try to do the same for 14. Okay. So if you people are watching this video, once I am solving there, you just try to do along with me. Okay. So what we have to do in first step, we have to write 14, which is the number as it is. So this is a cube. So in third place, what we have to do, we have to square the number, which is 16. In fourth place, we have to square the number, which number? The second number. Okay. So 64. So step 1 is done. In step 2, what I will do, I will neglect these 2 numbers. Then I will take the middle 2 numbers and I am going to double it. Okay. So 4 into 2, it is 8. 16 into 2, it is 32. Okay, so here also you could see there is a 2-digit number which is given, but we have to take only the unit digit. So 4 is the unit digit over here. So the remainder 6 will be carried over here. So we know that 32 plus 16 it is 48. 48 plus 6 it is 54. But we have to write only 4. So the remainder 5 will be carried over here. So 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 5 17. 7 here and 1 here. So the answer for 14 cube is 2744. So now we will see type 2. So you could see type 2 is exactly the opposite of type 1. So here you could see the numbers are ending with 1, 1 and 1. So that's what I have written here, number ending with 1. In type number 1, it's a number starting with 1 and here it is number ending with 1. So 21 is written over here. So in previous type what we have seen, we have written the number from the left hand side. So now we are going to write the number from the right hand side. So for understanding purpose, I put 4 dashes. So I am going to write 21 here. And in the third place from the right hand side, what I am going to do, I am going to square the number, which is 2 square is 4. And in the fourth dash, what I am going to do, I am going to cube the number. Which number? Second number from the right hand side. So 2 cube is 8. Okay. So just remember carefully. So this step is exact opposite of type 1. Okay. So this will be step 1. In step 2, what I am going to do, I am going to do the same thing which I have done in type 1. I am going to remove this first and the last digit. I am going to take the middle two numbers and I am going to double it. So if I double, I will get 8 over here and 4 over here. So then a normal addition you have to do. So 1, 6, 2, 1. So 9, 2, 6, 1 is the answer for this question. So quickly we will try to do the same for 31, and if you are seeing this video, try to do along with me. So 4 dashes. So 31 I am going to write. What I am going to do? I am going to write 3 square, which is 9. So here 3 cube I have to write, which is 27. Step 1 done. Remove first and last digit. Take the middle two numbers. Then you have to double it. So 9 into 2 it is 18. 3 into 2 it is 6. Okay. Then it is a normal addition. So 1, 6 plus 3 it is 9. 18 plus 9 it is 27. 7 over here and 2 over here. So the answer for this question is 29791. So we'll try to do the same for 41. So what we have to do? 41 is written over here. So in third dash I have to square the number, which is 16, and in the final place I have to cube the number, which is 64. And if you are having any doubt regarding the cube of the numbers, you could see there is a cube starting from 1 to 9, which is written over here. So this is mandatory. Okay, like everything cannot be done by shortcut. So this is mandatory. At any cost you have to study 1 cube to 9 cube. So 4 cube is 64. So that's what I have written here. Okay, second step what we will do? We will double the number. So ignore first and the last. Take the middle two numbers. And most of the students will be having doubt here. So 164, we have to double 164. That is exactly wrong. You should not do that. This is a separate number and this is a separate number. Okay. So 16 into 2 it is 32 and 4 into 2 it is 8. Then normal addition you have to do. So 1, 8 plus 4 it is 12. 2 will be here. So 32 plus 16, 48. 48 plus 1, 49. So 9 over here and 4 over here. So 64 plus 4 it is 68. 921 is the answer for this question. So in type 3 we are going to see what if both digits are same. So you could see 2, 2 both are same digits, as well as 3 and 3 both are same digit. So this is one of the easiest type you could say. So 22. So what I am going to do, in 4 dashes I am going to write the number which is of cube of any number. Because you could see 2 and 2 both are same numbers. So 2 cube is 8, 8, 8 as well as 8. In all the 4 places I am going to write the cube of the number. Okay. So in second step it is as usual. You have to ignore the first and the last number. Take the middle two numbers and you have to double it. So 8 square is 8 into 2 it is 16, as well as 8 into 2 it is 16. Okay. So then it is a normal addition. So 16 plus 8 it is 24. 4 you have to write. Always you should write only the unit digit. The tens digit will be carried over to the next term. So we have to write 2 over here. So 8 plus 2 it is 10. 10 plus 16 it is 26. So 6 over here and 2 over here. So the answer for this question is 10648. Now let's try to do 33, and you people also do along with me. So 33. So what we have to do in all the 4 places, we have to write the cube of the number. So 3 cube is 27, 27, 27 and 27. So if your first step is done, then second step is nothing but multiplication, and third step is just addition. Okay. So we have to ignore the first and the last numbers. We have to take the middle 2 numbers and we have to multiply it. Multiply it by 2. So 27 into 2 it is 54. So again 54. Then it is a normal addition. So 7, we have to write 7. The 2 will be carried over here. So 54 plus 27 is 81. 81 plus 2 it is 83. So we have to write 8 over here. So we know that 54 plus 27 is 81. 81 plus 8 it is 89. Okay. So 27 plus 8 it is 35. So the answer for this question is 35937. Similarly, you can try for numbers like 44, 55, 66 and so on. So in 4th step, we are going to see what if both the digits are different. So you could see 2 and 3, it is a different digit. So 4 and 3, again both the digits are different. So it's a bit trickier type. So you have to listen carefully to understand this type. So you see, first we'll write 4 dashes as we are writing in all the types. So in first dash, which means in the first place, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this number. Okay. Sorry. So I'm going to take this number and I'm going to cube the number. So we know that 2 cube is 8. And in the last place, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the second number and I'm going to cube the number. So second number is 3. 3 cube is 27. Okay, so first what I'm doing, I'm writing the cube of first number, and in the last place I'm writing the cube of last number. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, in the second place, I'm going to take this number and I'm going to square it, and again I'm going to multiply it with 3. Okay, so you just listen carefully. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this number, which is 2. I'm going to square it. So 2 square, and again I'm going to multiply with the next number. Okay, which means the nearest number. So into 3. So 2 square is 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay. And in this place we are going to do the same thing but in the opposite way. Okay. Here what I am going to do, I am going to take 3 and I am going to square it and then I will multiply with the nearest number, which is 2. So 3 square into 2. Okay. So we know that 3 square is 9 and 9 into 2 it is 18. So that's all. If you are writing the first step, then rest all the steps are same. Okay. And some people will be having a confusion over here. So what if 24 is written? Okay, instead of 23, what if 24 is written? Okay, so you have to write, we have to take this number, square it and multiply with 4. Okay, nearest number doesn't mean the next number. Okay, in numerical way. I'm meaning here, the nearest number is the next number in this digit. Okay. So 2, 3 we have written over here. In second step, what I am going to do, as usual, whatever the things we have done in the previous types, I am going to take the middle 2 numbers, I am going to ignore it and I am going to multiply it by 2. So 12 into 2, 24 and 18 into 2 it is 36. Then it is a normal addition. So we have to write 7 over here, 2 will be carried over, so 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 36 it is 56. So 5 will be carried over here. So 24 plus 12 it is 36. 36 plus 5 it is 41. So 8 plus 4 it is 12. So the answer for this question is 12167. So now you people also try to join me and do this sum. So 43. So what we have to do, in first place we have to take the first number and we have to cube it. So which is 64. And in the last place we have to take the last number and we have to cube it. So 3 cube is 27. So this 2 places what I have told, you have to take the first number, you have to square it and then again you have to multiply with the nearest number, I mean the next number. Okay. So 4 square is 16 and 16 into 3 it is 48. So this how I am writing, 4 square into 3. Okay. So 4 square is 16, 16 into 3 it is 48. So here what I am going to do, I am going to take 3, square it and multiply with the next number, which is 4. Okay, so 3 square is 9, 9 4s are 36. Okay, so in second step what I am going to do, I am going to ignore the first and the last numbers, and I am going to take the middle two numbers and I am going to double it. So 48 into 2 it is 96, 36 into 2 it is 74. Then it is a normal addition. So you could write 7 here, and 2 should be carried over there. So 36 plus 72, we know that 108. So 108 plus 2 it is 110. So you could see the number which you are getting is 110, which is a 3-digit number. But in first step what I have told, you should take only the unit digit. So you should take only the unit digit, and remaining 11 should be carried over here. Okay. So 110 we have to write 0 over here, and 11 is getting carried over here. So 96 plus 48, we know it is 144. 144 plus 11 it is 155. So we are getting 155. But what I have told, you have to take only the unit digit, and the remaining 2 digits will be carried over here. So 64 plus 15 it is 79. So what is the number we are getting here? 5. Okay, because 5 is written over here, so I am writing 5 over here. So the answer for this question is 79507. So likewise you can try for remaining numbers like 56 or 47 or 83 as per your wish. So the main thing you have to remember is you should know the cube starting from 1 to 9. So that all the 4 types becomes much easier for you. So as I said earlier, don't try to go for cubes beyond 99. So only 2-digit cubes are enough for the exam. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like this channel, and share with your fellow aspirants. And if you are having any doubts, you can mention your doubts in the comment section. And you can also join our Telegram group, which is Pick His Brain. So in this group, we will try to conduct daily quizzes. And once the video is done, we will try to make a quiz in that group. And if you have to contact me personally, if you are having any doubts about your preparation and exam strategies, you can ask me here, Gopinath0896. It is my Instagram ID, and this is my Telegram group. So you people can join here, and you can get your queries resolved. So I thank you all once again. Thank you.